Hello, Mr. Stone here, and I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about what this course is. So we're going to be using Moodle for this course. Moodle is our tool to achieve mastery learning. And mastery learning is really learning so you achieve mastery of the subject, not just to study it, just to try and be okay at it. We want you to be able to learn this and to learn it well. Now, the assignments that you get are not just assignments just to be done and then, oh, I did my homework, I'm good. No, you should be able to do the assignments feeling confident that you've got those ideas. And if you aren't, then you should be able to redo them. And that's exactly what Moodle allows us to do. For many of your assignments, you will be able to go back and redo the things that you might have been mistaken on many times. And you'll get new problems each time. But what's important is that you do make a note of what sort of mistakes that you make. Your brain forms connections when you make mistakes and when you recognize where you went off track. You learn better that way. So while you're working on your problems, you're putting a lot of answers directly into Moodle. Make sure that you're backing all of that up in your notebook by taking some notes and showing exactly where the steps are. That way, if you do realize you made a mistake, you can go back, do an analysis, and see where you went off the path. And if you ask your peers or if you ask your teacher a question, then that helps us be able to say to you, oh yeah, I think this is where you got a little bit off track there. Then you understand it better, and then you're on your way to mastering the content. This is also going to be something that is very convenient for you. A lot of the course materials are built right into Moodle, so that you will be able to access them from anywhere. If you have a smartphone, you will be able to access Moodle. If you have a tablet or a computer with any other sort of internet connection, pretty much any device you can get to Moodle. So your PDFs are there if you want to read the content. The videos are there as well to explain a lot of these ideas. It's done to make it more accessible for you and to avoid you having to carry around all sorts of heavy books. I know when I was a student, I had to carry a lot of books home every day. I didn't like that. I was running around like a little pack mule. It wasn't fun. We're trying to make things a little bit easier for you so you don't have that experience, okay? So it will be with you, it will be easier for you to access. Heck, even if you are on the bus ride home or train ride, as long as you've got internet access, you can be doing your homework right there. So this is pretty cool, and it's going to be helpful for you. Also, you'll see that many of the assignments are smaller assignments. The idea is if you're doing a little bit every day, rather than a big chunk here and then a day off like on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday you've got another big assignment. If you're doing a little bit every day, that helps the material stick in your mind. That helps you learn it better, that helps you know it better, that helps you master it. If you take a break and you step away from it for a while, it starts to fade. Okay, you might feel this a little bit when we come back from summer vacation, and how did I do that? It's been so long. But if you go back, and even on a day when you might not have homework, you can go back and look at some of the assignments where you didn't get that 100%, redo those. It keeps the stuff fresh in your mind, and it will help boost your grade. Although ultimately, the grade is just an indicator of what you know. The knowing is key. Some assignments will also simply be videos or PDFs to check out. Look at those, review those, take some good notes, maybe work a practice problem or two. Keep all of this in your notebook so that we can check that with you and make sure that you are getting the information that you need. You cannot just kind of wing it. Okay, you do need to look at these videos, you do need to look at these PDFs so that you understand where this is coming from. When you come back to class, you can talk with your peers, you can talk with your teachers, and then again, studies have shown this will help you learn more and be confident so that when you go in to take that quiz or that test, you feel good about what you can do and you'll be able to do it well. And use Moodle to help you master the content, bring your best effort and motivation to class every day, and together we will help you harness the power of mathematics and problem solving so we can help you achieve your goals and dreams, not just in the classroom this year, but down the road and for the rest of your life. All right? Have a great day.